So in this Inkscape tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to have custom page dimensions here in Inkscape. So once Inkscape's opened up, your page may not look like this because I've customized my dimensions to make it into more of a square shape, but you have your background, which for me is red, and you have your page, which for me is blue, so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. If you want to make the dimensions customized, it's very simple. Go to the top left, press on File, then scroll down to where it says Document Properties. Now on this page right here, it says front page. You have the format right here. So if you want, you can actually customize this whatever you want. So if you're looking to make, let's just say a YouTube thumbnail, for example, we'll go 1920 by 1080, just like that. So you can also change, pixels right here if you want to do that. So if I were to go out and exit out of this, I now have, YouTube thumbnail dimensions. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how you guys can edit or have custom page dimensions here in Inkscape. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.